Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get PayPal API key credentials for WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are just going to follow this tutorial that would allow us or that would show us on how to get the API key. So basically first, you will need to set up the PayPal standard payments gateway. And basically uh, we can go just to the payments tab in the WooCommerce settings, and basically we can start enabling the PayPal sandbox checkbox so you can start testing the PayPal. And from there you will be needing to add the API credentials like the sandbox API username, sandbox API password, and signature. And basically to add these ones we will need to go to PayPal. So after logging into your PayPal, we will need just to go to my apps and credentials, and from there you can find your accounts. By going to the accounts, we will need to edit an account, and from there you will find the API credentials, and all we need to do now is to start having this username, etc., and you will need to set up the PayPal standard in WooCommerce. So basically now we are going to apply these steps, and I already have in my payments gateway, and from there we can find the PayPal. We need just to search for this one, and we can just click on this one, and I'm just going to need to finish setup so we can see all the other gateways. So basically from here we can find this one, and you can start testing payments with PayPal Sandbox. And as you can see, we need just to have the access, and this is not the standard one as they showed us. This is another PayPal uh, gateway. So basically you will need just to connect your PayPal account to here, and you will need just to start clicking on next, and basically you will have your account that will be added, or the API that will be connected directly or automatically in WooCommerce. Anyways, you will need just to log in to your PayPal account and having in the going to your payments and just having your own credentials. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.